Hey look, we turned some wind into electricity.
JoJo Science Show!
Welcome to JoJo Science Show. I can tell you're watching this if you just heard me say that. That's funny, leave it in. Today I have an experiment that's gonna blow you away. Like this. We're on a mission to change the wind into electricity. First, we're going to build a wind spinner out of some plastic cups and a paper plate. You'll also need some invisible tape, a wooden rod like a skewer, and an empty thread spool. Hey look, I landed it! This is very easy to build. Tape all the cups to the plate and make sure they're all facing the same direction. Now glue your thread spool to the middle of your plate. You can also use tape or hot glue to secure it to the plate. You see this right here? This is my biggest fan. Now let's go catch the wind outside. Now that we see how easy it is to catch the wind, let's make some electricity by using this wind turbine set. In my dynamo video, we saw how you can change circular motion into electricity. So we have this wind generator kit here that we can use to turn the motion of a windmill into electricity. Now let's get building. It has a motor that's also a generator, and it has a little light connected to it. Let's see, we put the little light right here, and then you put the motor like this. This kit also contains a gear, so that when the windmill makes one turn, the generator makes many more turns. This is why having a gear is so important. Do you see this little gear? Well, you put it like this and make sure it's connected to the tiny gear on the motor. Now we're going to put the tail on. Click. Fin here. Now you need a bottle of water for your windmill stand. Oh! If it spins really hard, you can see it very well in the right. It's super lightning. Oh wow! It's lighting! You can even see it when it's bright. We did it! Oh yeah! We did it! Oh yeah! Hey look, we turned some wind into electricity. Isn't that awesome? The turbine contains magnets and copper coils. When the magnet moves past the copper coil, it will make electrons move and make electricity by magnetic induction. See, it also works outside. See the little light? Did you know that big windmill generators can be used to generate electricity that you might use in your house? And that energy is even renewable. That means it won't run out as long as the wind is blowing. This is an example of green energy. Thanks for watching JoJo's Science Show. If this video blew you away, then hit the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to my channel so you can see all my fun videos. And hit the bell so you'll get notifications whenever I post a new fun video. And remember kids, science is fun! It's hard. In my dynamite video, don't say that.